Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In this video, we're going to show you guys how to add a watermark to your Word document. There are a lot of cases in which you might want to do this to protect yourself or others, and it's actually fairly easy to do as it's a built-in feature directly inside of Word. Before we get started with this video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll leave links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so here we have a comparative analysis essay that I'm working on. And let's just say that I want to watermark this before sending it off for approval. All we have to do is navigate a few tabs over from our home tab. So we're going to click to design, and inside of the design tab, all the way on the far right here, we have a page background group, and we can see the watermark logo. Now we have a few different presets we can use. We could also add a custom watermark. We can also remove a watermark, or we can browse more from office.com. We can see there's currently no content available. All right, so let's pick one that we think will cover our document well. I'll go with this first one here. Now we've applied our watermark, but we probably don't want it to say confidential. So I'll click back into this and I'll hit custom watermark. Now there are a few things I could do here. Let's just say I want to add my logo. So I'll go from a file, I'll hit browse, and I'm just going to navigate to where I keep my logos. And I actually selected one that I have specifically for watermarking. So I'll press OK. Now we can see that my own custom logo watermark is applied, and I can continue to customize this. One thing I could do is I could turn off the washout if I want it to be like pretty much full opacity. So that's what that would do. And I can also go back to custom watermark, and maybe I want to go back to the text option here. I'm just going to change the text to our company name, Indigo Software. All right, going back into those settings one more time, we could change this to horizontal. We could keep it either semi-transparent or not, and we can also adjust the color of it. We also have some font options here. All right, and now we can see that that has taken effect on our document. And the last step would be to actually just go ahead and save this. So let's say I want to send this over as a PDF. I'll hit this PC and downloads. And let's change this here to PDF. All right, and then I'll press save. As we can see, our document has successfully been watermarked. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything we covered, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. You can find those links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have any ideas that you'd like to see, we strongly encourage you to comment those below as well. Most of these requests get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.